Yeah, hi, it's Bill here. Just to show you how to get that free training. First of all, go to www.geomap-training-wa.com. Go to that or Google it. That'll bring you into the Geomap training page, or it'll bring you into the Geomap training website, which is a training site. Now, if you've logged in or if you've already signed up for any training, I'll get rid of that. You'll log in here and put the information in here so you can log in and access your training. But if you haven't, I'll get rid of that. If you haven't got that, then all you need to do is go down to the training you want. Now, if it's a free training course, just click Add to Cart. Because this is a membership site, we need some details so we can send you a password and a login. And so all you're doing is saying, okay, proceed to checkout, because you've clicked, yep, the free training course. That's what you want. So proceed to checkout, and you put in your details. Okay, so the information you need is your first name and your last name, and so on, just to get the information so we can create your login information. And then you click place order, and you'll be given then a login details, username and password, as soon as I approve that. But that's not a problem to be approved. Then when you do, you go to your Geomap training. Okay, so now you've got your username and password. So the username has been sent out to you and your password. Now you can log in. So you can log in here by typing in your username and password and clicking login. And now just logging into that using the username and password, and it'll come down to tell you which courses you are logged into or you've paid for. And in this case, you'll be enrolled in this free training course. There it is there. And you can go click see more, and it will take you into the free training course. So that's how you basically just get access to that free training. Then you just, of course, go through the course by clicking on the lesson and going through the various lessons and doing as you go. Yeah, I hope that helps, but send me an email if it doesn't.